I think everything is ready.
Yes,
The food, everything.
yes,
We've cleaned his room.
yes.
Are you sure? Because any moment from now, he's going to be here. You heard me?
Yes,
Huh?
See,
Oh my God! I can't wait.
Mommy, I'm back from the States. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mommy.
Hello. I miss you so much. Oh, look how you look.
Yeah.
Nice.
Looking, you also looking
Oh,
cute.
thank you.
Wow, okay, so these are the.
Yes,
Oh, nice.
the husband.
My name is Papacito. Yes?
You don't have to shake hands.
Okay,
with them.
okay,
Just
Mom.
introduce yourself to me.
Yeah, my name is Papacito. And what are you?
I'm Botsy.
What? You? Ajua.
I'm Mama Sita.
Mamacita. That we looks like we have the same name. I'm Papacito.
No, Papa. No, I'm going to change her name, please.
Okay, alright.
No,
Mama.
from henceforth, I don't want you to get possessive.
Red house.
Husbands.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
They are your house helper.
Yeah.
Anything you will just call them.
They go and assist me or anything I want,
Anything,
right?
yes.
Alright, no problem. Mom, I'm starving. I'm starving.
Hey,
Is the food ready?
He's got to the room. Okay. Wait, the food is ready.
Yeah, alright,
Yes,
no
you're going to
problem.
enjoy watching.
Watching! That's my favorite. You know that's my favorite. I'm not be eating watching but way back in the States, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so yo, come on, go get me something to eat. Mom, you got some tequila in the fridge?
I have some wine.
Get some wine. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
get me one then.
Give me a glass and let me pop some very more mama. You know what I'm talking about? Hey.
Oh my God, son.
I love the weather. You know what I'm talking about?
Disappeared.
Yeah. Mom, let's cheers up. You know what I'm talking about? That's mama.
Oh, welcome
Cheers.
home.
Thank you, mama.
Hey, Tainted.
No, what's your business here?
I want to serve the guy, Madam's son, who just arrived from abroad. I want to serve him today. Oshapambe, Madam.
Since when did you start serving in this house?
But I also make a choice. I want to serve today because so we are done. But no, Shamipa. And I see we did the Papacito, we did the Mama
Hey,
Sita.
almost talking.
We were thinking, and then I was also.
Since when did you start serving? The guy has not even noticed any of you. I was showing him. He was eyeing me from head to toe.
Hey, what are you? Hey, how did I just say now? What if you say be incompatible? Like here.
No, listen. Men are not want shame you.
Man, she
Not make the men are not want shame. When you're
Hey,
crying,
what is going on? My son is starving. Instead of you to come and serve, you are here nagging. What is all this?
Madam,
Let me bring it in.
Oh, what's wrong with you guys? Eh? Hey, Mama Sita, what is wrong with you?
Mommy, I want to serve your son.
No, you can't. Ajua,
Yes,
the single seven.
okay.
Hey, you hear me?
Okay, ma.
I'll slap you. This is all because of you.
Say, how would I say that? Can we number? By my not Excuse me. Excuse me too. Excuse me too. I'm serious, this guy is so nice. We should be mine. You'll be my son. Mommy. I think what?
That is the food still not ready. Oh my days, man. Do you know what I chair? Oh, wow, man!
What is wrong with you guys? Anything I'm doing? Anything I'm doing? See what you've caused. See what you're already. In presence of my son, my precious son.
Mama, is that how they behave here? You can't be doing this, man. You can do this in yours. Oh, man.
White man, what were you thinking about?
It wasn't intentional. It was a girl who crossed me.
Mama, it looks like you've been playing games in this house. I don't think she's professional. She's not professional, Mama. You have to sack her. She's not professional. How can you be doing this? I've been sitting in the plane for hours, and I'm here to eat. See the mess it caused. Mama, I've even lost appetite.
Hey, you people should disappear just now.
My friend, clear up, man. Mama, you gotta sack her. How much have you been paying her? You have to reduce her salary.
I'm just don't worry. Yeah, son. Just nice patience. Just let me save you. I'm going to save you.
Okay, Mama, I'm so starving, you know. I'm so starving.
Mommy. No. Disappear.
Hey. Tell you the truth. Then I want you. Banana so sound. This game will go mad. China. Hey, wait. So what's this? Don't bring it. Why you didn't boy this costume? One thing. So what's this? Don't bring it. Sushi. This guy, oh my, listen. I know, why not? Or should we see if you mama sit and look at it? Perfect, what I will. It's what I do. Let me. Hey, I got you. He needs a papa, and if my character is a gem, I'll be your good one.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
Oh, is my coffee ready?
Oh yeah, it's ready.
Okay, get me my coffee, yeah?
Alright. I'll bring it right now.
Alright.
How's the night?
Awesome. Okay.
You're looking nice today.
Thank you. Get me my coffee, please.
So I'll bring it. I hope you're good.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hi, this is a coffee.
Thank you. Oh, I'm okay.
Wait,
What? What is this?
it's coffee.
Coffee?
Yes.
Didn't you taste it before bringing it to me?
Yeah, this is everything was.
Oh, Mama, this, Mama. Nice about. Papa, why are you shouting? Mama, good morning. I told you to give me coffee and there was salt in the coffee.
Salt in the coffee?
Yeah, it's your taste it.
Maybe your coffee, man. Yes, salty coffee. Oh my days.
Who prepared this coffee?
I did it.
What is wrong with you?
Mommy,
You want to kill my son?
No, mommy. Mommy, listen.
What's better by you?
Mommy, me here.
Tell it yourself.
Oh my God! Who did this to me?
Are you the same person that prepared the coffee?
Mommy, listen.
You did it yourself.
Mommy,
Who are you blaming?
Mommy, I'm first something. I just did this. Who did this?
Mama, so this is what they've been doing all this while?
I don't even-
When I was in the States.
No.
Son, shut up. Let me talk. I don't understand. Just a couple of days they change. I don't understand what is.
Mama,
I'm saying the truth, mommy. I didn't do this. Like,
Who did it?
Who did that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Mama, you got to talk to them because me, I'm going to the restaurant joint to get something to eat this morning.
Son, wait. No,
Mama, I'm going to get
I'll be back
something.
for you myself. Son, wait. Okay, for you myself.
Who did this? You see?
Hello?
Auntie.
Who did that?
Auntie, I'm not the one. I didn't put salt in this. I didn't do this.
What has got over you people? Please. You people want to kill my son? What has got over you people? Eh? I come here, sir.
What did this?
Are you anything? Who prepared the coffee?
I didn't put any salt
You
in
did it,
this.
so who did it? Is it me or?
Stop arguing in front of me. Check. Also, be careful. If you play with my son is my life. My son is my everything. Don't joke with him. Don't you people try it next time. Not ever. He heard me, right?
Auntie, we hurt you.
Disappear.
I don't understand. Who did this? This guy is so nice. Good boy, fair guy, small beard. Wish this was my boyfriend Mario. Sorry, boss. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What are you trying to do?
I'm sorry. Like, there was something on your leg and I want to. I'm so sorry. I'm coming. You should come.
What? Son?
Oh God. Jesus.
What has come over you?
But I'm sorry.
Sleeping
Mama,
with housemate?
Mama, oh my God. Mama, let me explain.
Mommy, I'm running.
Come on, get out! Sorry.
Mama, let me explain. You know, I was sleeping. I was on the bed. It wasn't intentional. You know, I'm talking about.
Son,
Mama, Mom, I'm sorry.
Son, why?
Mom, I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. I'm so sorry. Mommy, I'm so sorry. You know, I messed up. You know, I'm sorry.
Hey! Mama, sit down. Where's Mama? Shit!
Mama came over me like I didn't even come, man.